Hi guys, it's the La Paz Gardens, and I'm at the herb garden working today. It's Friday afternoon. They started around 9. I got here at 9:30. But I just want to take you through a quick view of what we've been up to up here. Now, this is the garden at the Log Cabin Village in Fort Worth that the Greater Fort Worth Herb Society has been maintaining for at least, I believe, 30 years, since the 1980s. So this is a lot that's grown a little wild. We've actually taken up one of our members, Mary, and some other people have really taken the time to clear through this, and we're thinking of planting it. But right now, look at all that beautiful Turk's cap, St. John's wort. We have some yarrow right here. Got some chilies that we just planted, and I'm gonna go through here. This is about 3 tiers, and it's just gonna be a quick video because this is a chili piquin. It's one of my favorites. These were a lot of berries, but I just picked through it. So, just very quick video of our very beautiful, very, very beautiful. What did you say, Mary? So if you guys ever want to visit, just come over. They're open Monday to Friday, I believe, from 9 to 3. No, they're closed Mondays. But Saturday, they're definitely open from 1 to 5. So we've actually taken over this spot too. If you can tell, there's a log Chinese privet, which is not very fun chair or log cabin. But we're next to the grizzle mill. And we've got a drying shed right here where we'll periodically take cuttings from our herbs and just go through there. See, herb drying shed. So this is more native. We for the last few years we really haven't been, that's a flame acanthus, we really haven't been very active here since the membership. You can only do so much as what you got with people showing up. So it's just, isn't this pretty? Look at how pretty this is. So that's St. John's wort. Hey guys, you want to say hey guys to the YouTube?
Hey! Come on and join us.
Every second Saturday, right, Linda?
Every second Saturday.
That's right.
Well, occasionally other days.
Well, look for us on our Facebook. It's the Greater Greater Fort Worth Herb Society, and we've been known to give a few cuttings to people that come and volunteer. This is bay laurel. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this bay laurels. Oh, it smells so good. Some soapwort. So it's a very beautiful location. They're very friendly people working here. So we might get to meet Mary and one of her animals. Right now she's got a duck. So there you go, just a quick video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but it's gonna be a quick video to post today.
We have lots of